Hi guys, it's Sunday today, so we do our routine. So we're gonna go to church for the mass. So after our church, we went home. So we decided to cook for our lunch. So we're gonna have chicken feet adobo and cucumber salad for our lunch. So here's the finished product. So we're gonna have lunch for now. See you guys. So after our lunch, we decided to go outside. So me and Malo were going somewhere. So we went to the chocolate factory here in Toronto. You know that already guys, I'm a chocolate lover. So me and Malo, we buy a lot of chocolates for our family back home. So handa nyo na yung ngipin nyo. Sasakit yan, maraming chocolate. So after galing namin sa labas, nag-decide si Malo na mag-karaoke daw kami. Banding time. It's a long weekend, so it's Monday. So me and Malo, we went outside. We gonna buy some fruits and vegetable for our week. So nabudol ko na naman si Malo. May treat na naman ng bebe. So pag uwi namin, nag-decide si Malo na magluto ng nilagang baka at adobong sitaw. So ito na yung finished product. Happy yummy tummy ulit ang bebe. So after namin mag-lunch, manonood daw si Malo ng NBA basketball game. Pero inutusan niya ako na i-prepare ko yung next niyang lulutuin for the rest of our week. So eto, prepare ko na yung butter garlic shrimp at gagawa din siya ng ampalaya salad. Ito na yung finished product na niluto ni Malo. Nag-request pala si Malo na gawa daw ako ng fruit smoothie para sa kanya. So gumawa ako ng fruit smoothie para sa kanya at sliced fruit naman sa akin. Pero binigyan niya pa rin ako ng smoothie. Thanks Malo! So after we have snacks, Malo went back to the kitchen to cook the last batch for our menu for the week. So Malo gonna cook tochong bangus at adobong kangkong, 2 version. Thanks Malo! Happy yummy tummy!